Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss directory structure of Linux. So now if you see the root or slash is the main or parent directory for the Linux, and all other directories are pointed from parent directory slash, and these are the directories bin, boot, dev. So I'll explain a few in short. And boot is the main directory which contains bootable files. And next, etc contains configuration files, and lib contains library files. So now we will go to each and every partition individually. Slash. This is the root or parent directory. This is where the whole tree starts. And slash bin. This directory contains executable programs which are needed in single user mode and to bring the system up or repair it. And slash boot. It contains bootable files for Linux like VM Linux, kernel, and initrd and grub. And slash dev. It contains device files like a dev HAD for hard drives, dev/cd for CD-ROM. And if we go to the partition/etc, it contains all configuration files, for example, etc password, and it is resolve.conf, preferred DNS, it is dhcpd.conf, it is the DHCP server. And if we go to the directory slash home, it is home directory for other users. It provides working environment for other users. And slash lib. It contains library files which are used by OS. Library files in Linux are shared object files. And slash media. It contains all of removable media like CD-ROM, pen drive, etc. And slash mnt. It is a default mount point for any partition. It is empty by default. And slash opt. It is optional directory for slash user. It contains third-party softwares. And slash sbin. Slash sbin is like a slash bin, but this directory holds commands needed to boot the system, but which are usually not executed by normal user. Sbin are system binaries. And slash srv. It contains site-specific data which is served by this system. It holds site-specific data to be served by the system for protocols such as FTP, rsync, www, and CVS, etc. For example, if we take SUSE Linux, SUSE web root is /srv. If we take Debian or Ubuntu or RHEL, for HTTP protocol, it uses /var/www. Okay, and the directory /tmp. This directory contains most files that are required temporarily. And slash user. By default, softwares are installed in slash user directory. And slash var. Var stands for variable. holds variable data. The directory it contains are changing in size every time. And slash root is a home directory for root user who is super user in Linux, and it provides working environment for root user. And slash proc, it is one of the important directory. It contains process files. The contents are not permanent. They keep changing. It also called as virtual directory. Its file contain useful information used by OS like proc meminfo for memory information of RAM or swap. Proc slash CPU info information of CPU stats. So the questions are these questions you may face in any interview, so that I just mentioned couple of questions in each and every slide. So you may get a question bin versus sbin, or user bin versus user sbin, user local bin, user local sbin. And question 2, user local, user slash local versus slash opt. So now we will see the answers for this. User sbin, this is the primary directory for executable programs. And slash user sbin, this directory contains program binaries for system administration. User local bin is for programs that a normal user may run. User local sbin, locally installed programs for system administration. So now if we go to question 2, user local slash opt. User slash local is for use by the system administration when installing software locally. It is a place to install files built in by the administrator, usually by using the make command. If we go to slash opt, this is for the installation of add-on application software packages. It is a directory where to install unbundled packages, each in its own subdirectory. They are already built whole packages provided by an independent third-party software distributor. Thank you.